Kawm, do you have an individual act, or is your act the one with your group? Okay, sounds good. But just an announcement, if you guys are up next and you guys have music, please come to the side and let us know so we can get it going right away. Thank you. Thank you, Kate. So if I have next? You're on, Jet. All
Hi, my name is Angie Ving. I'm a 6th grader at DeForest Area Middle School.
My name is Angel. I'm in 5th grade and I go to Creekside.
My name is Aliana Vang. I'm in 4th grade. I'm 9 years old and I go to Hawthorne Elementary School. Hi, my name is Adora Yang and I go to Cottage Grove School and I'm in 4th grade and I'm 10 years old. Hello, my name is Faye Vang and I am in 4th grade and I go to Eagle Point School.
I'm Tina Vang and I go to Patrick Marsh Middle School and I'm in 7th grade.
Nice. Woo!
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ